Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. Hair fall is one of the nightmares nobody wants to go through. It makes you tense and reduces your confidence. If you're trying to regrow hair that you've lost or would simply like to improve the hair that you have, try some of these natural remedies. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is packed with proteolytic enzymes, which are known to repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It helps stimulate hair growth from dormant hair follicles, increasing hair volume. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It not only promotes hair growth, but also prevents itching on the scalp and reduces dandruff. Oral consumption of aloe vera juice helps maintain smooth, radiant skin and promotes hair growth too. How to use aloe vera to prevent hair thinning. Slice aloe vera leaf with a knife, and extract about 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel from its leaf. Whisk the gel till you get a smooth consistency. Now, massage the gel into your scalp with your fingertips. Massage it for about 5 to 7 minutes, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it out with warm water. 2. Eggs. Eggs are considered to be great for hair growth and thickness. They are loaded with essential nutrients such as proteins, vitamin B12, iron, zinc and omega-6 fatty acids. This home remedy is used to accelerate hair growth and volume. How to use egg to prevent hair thinning. Take a bowl and add 1 egg along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You may use coconut oil too for this mask. Stir the mixture till you get a smooth mixture. Now, apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, working it in from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Wash your hair with shampoo and cool water. Make sure you don't use warm water to wash your hair. 3. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla is nutrient-dense and has a lot of health-benefiting properties. Applying it or even drinking it may make your hair thicker and bouncier. Amla is rich in vitamin C, which is assisted by various minerals, nutrients, amino acids, and antioxidants, etc. that help Amla in fighting against all the hair weakening factors. How to use Amla to prevent hair thinning. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoon Amla powder and lime juice and mix the 2 ingredients until you get a smooth mixture. Now, apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, working it in from the roots to the tips. Leave it on until it dries up. Wash it off with a shampoo and cool water. You may also use conditioner post-washing your hair. Whether you eat them, drink them or simply apply them, these foods can do wonders for your hair and the results can be seen so quickly that you wouldn't want to let go of it. If you find this video useful, please press like button, share with your friends to watch more video like this and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, share with your friends to watch more video.